to Cowboy Woodstock. Time for the city to meet the trail. Now, are you going to have a good time?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Positive?
Yeah.
Okay, you go have a good time.
Okay.
Thanks. Family night. A chance for those who couldn't ride along to join in.
I think it's terrific. Once in a lifetime, I'll tell you. It's just great. Man, we wouldn't have missed this for anything, you know.
You had to come down and see it all for yourself.
You bet. Our whole bunch would never have forgiven us had we not come down.
Well, I wish I'd have taken part in some of this stuff earlier, but, you know, at first the momentum wasn't there, I don't think, and now the momentum is there, and I'm excited about it.
With all the cowboys.
Been very, very sedate and nice, and everybody's been the same, and now it's just like a big fair. It's not the same. It's not the same.
It's not the Old West anymore.
Nope. It's not the Old West out there either, but it's pretty close.
But regardless, you got to admit, it's a heck of a way to end a week on the trail.